volume trading and Mahindra Holidays share price. Learn when to buy or sell. With the Mahindra Holidays, VIP Industries shares, their volume went up significantly and that was an immediate buy signal. However, as we saw the next day, this is not the only indicator, since the coronavirus impact and the subsequent lockdown has affected the holiday and travel industry the worst. The Mahindra shares finally went down, but their share prices are significantly higher than their 5-day value. Confirmation for sell signal. While increase in volume is a must for buy signals, it is not compulsory for sell signals. This is because share prices can come down either due to lack of buying interest at higher levels, results in reduced volume, or by heavy selling pressure, results in increased volume. The first situation is treated as bearish and traders use it to square off their long positions. The second situation is very bearish and traders usually wait for it to take new short positions. The final call. This is the most important decision, to buy, sell or hold. We have to understand that none of the indicators stand alone in the market. There are multiple parameters like the market scenario. What should be a good time to buy or sell stocks? There is not one single answer, but there are few indications that will tell you what time is a good time to buy or sell. We are going to explain this by means of an example which we have observed in the market on 11th and 12th May. Angel Broking shout out. But before we start, let me ask you one question. Are you sitting at home and thinking about making your money work for you in the stock market? Well, this is the perfect time for that. To invest in the stock market, you will have to first open a Demat account, and you can do that by clicking on the link of Angel Broking mentioned in the description section. Angel Broking is India's leading full-service broker with minimum brokerage charges, and through Angel Broking you can create your Demat account within a matter of hours and start investing on the share market. So don't wait until it's too late and open your free Demat account right away. Mahindra Holidays shares and volume trading. Example 1. Mahindra Holidays and Resorts India Limited saw a volume of 2.06 lakh shares by 1419 IST on NSE, a 8.64-fold spurt over 2-week average daily volume of 23,865 shares. The stock increased 8.02% to 136 rupees and 10 paise. Volume stood at 27,334 shares in the last session of 11th May. Example 2. VIP Industries Limited witnessed volume of 29.12 lakh shares by 1419 IST on NSE, a 8.52 times surge over 2-week average daily volume of 3.42 lakh shares. The stock increased 5.54% to 224 rupees and 90 paise. Volume stood at 1.21 lakh shares in the last session of 11th May. Example 3. Wockhardt Limited clocked volume of 14.42 lakh shares by 1419 IST on NSE, a 4.51 times surge over 2-week average daily volume of 3.20 lakh shares. The stock gained 4.99% to 266 rupees and 5 paise. Volume stood at 2.23 lakh shares in the last session of 11th May. Example 4. SKF India Limited saw a volume of 2.75 lakh shares by 1419 IST on NSE, a 4.49-fold spurt over 2-week average daily volume of 61,115 shares. The stock dropped 0.37% to 1,443 rupees and 15 paise. Volume stood at 1.45 lakh shares in the last session of 11th May. Example 5. JK Lakshmi Cement Limited saw a volume of 4.85 lakh shares by 1419 IST on NSE, a 4.37-fold spurt over 2-week average daily volume of 1.11 lakh shares. the stock dropped 0.34% to 192 rupees and 75 paise. Volumes stood at 46,412 shares in the last session on 11th May. On 12th of May 2020, right at the start of the day, Mahindra Holidays shares jumped from the previous day's close of 145 to 153. Then it lost momentum and declined by around 2.5% of the opening price. VIP Industries Limited attained a 1% growth. Wockhardt Limited didn't register any gains, it tanked by 3%. SKF India Limited remained almost at no loss no gain scenario, and same with JK Lakshmi Cements. So with these examples, we could see that the increase in volume had caused a rise in stock price almost immediately for 3 cases, but it didn't impact the same way in the other 2 cases. How is the volume related to the stock price and how can you take advantage of the volume indicator? Let's understand this. Volume trading theory. Investors should be careful in counters where price increases are not accompanied by increase in volume. We have already learnt about the importance of volume. A bull phase in any stock is triggered by increased interest in that counter and, therefore, it is natural that volume also jumps during this time. Similarly, it is a common phenomenon that volumes usually come down during a bear phase. Accumulation or distribution. Our volume-based theory is that of accumulation, bullish sign, and distribution, bearish sign. If the share price moves up on a given day with increasing volume, it is a sign that the buyers are able to absorb the increased selling pressure and therefore, it is treated as accumulation by strong hands. Similarly, if the price comes down on a particular day with increased volume, it indicates that the buyers could not absorb the increased selling. Confirmation for buy signal. Volume is only a confirmation signal, not a solo indicator. This means the original signal should be reflected in the price chart and the volume can be used to confirm it. For example, price should go up, along with jump in volume, to generate a buy signal. The same thing happened.